Hello. So before we dive into the interesting world of HTML, we first need to set up our development environment. Two things that I would want you to install. Number one, Chrome browser, and number two, VS Code. In order for us to install Chrome, we head on to our browser and type in this URL, google.com/Chrome, and you will be presented with this landing page with a big blue button to download Chrome. You will notice that below the button, we have an environment specific text. And this basically changes dynamically depending on which environment you're running your browser. In my case, I'm running macOS. That is why we have macOS. If you're on Windows, it will change to Windows. If you are on another environment, it will change to that specific environment. And that will dictate which version of Chrome you are downloading. To download VS Code, you will head on to this URL, code.visualstudio.com. And on the landing page again, you will be presented with a download button, and you will notice that part of the text is environment specific. In my case, we have download for Mac OS. If you're on Windows, it will be download for Windows. And if you're on another platform, it will dynamically change to reflect that platform. Once you have downloaded and installed all these tools, open VS Code. And when you open it, you will be presented with this screen. Two extensions that I would want you to install in VS Code. To install the extensions, go to this icon, and you can see that we have a tooltip with the words extensions. Type on it. And the first extension that you will install is Prettier. So you can just search for Prettier and you will click install. Since I've already installed mine, there's no need to install it again. And what Prettier will help us do is to format our code, which will make our code prettier, for lack of a better word, and it will make it readable so that we enjoy writing code. The second extension that I would want you to install in your environment is Live Server. Since I already have it installed, no need to install. You can see that it has about 60 million installs. And what Live Server will enable you to do is it will refresh your changes in the browser once you save changes in your web page file or in your HTML file. That will save you the headache of constantly going to the browser and clicking refresh. It is really awesome. Links to all these resources will be in the description section of these videos. And once you have done that, you are now ready to move on to the first module, Introduction to HTML. See you there.